gonna do another video about identifying perennials by their flowers or blossoms. This is Autumn Joy Sedum. It gets probably about 2.5 foot tall. Gets a head on it. Almost looks like a broccoli. This is what it starts out looking like, and then it turns like a reddish, pinkish colored. That's another sedum. That one gets a pink flower on it. That is lavender. That's what the flower looks like. The leaves look almost like pine needles. You can see those. This is called a golden creeping sedum. You can see the little yellow flowers on there. It gets to be a mounding perennial. I want to say that one there is probably at least 2 foot by 2 foot, if not bigger. That is a coneflower, hasn't blossomed yet. Veronica Speedwell. That is the flower. That's what the leaves look like. Angelina Sedum. That's what the leaves look like. And then it gets a thing on it that looks like that. Not really a flower, so to speak. I don't know. This is spiderwort. Spiderwort only opens early in the morning. That's about what color it is, but it's not open right now because it's a little too late for it to be open. That's more of the golden creeping sedum. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.